The next ones we have a complex fraction with quadratic factoring. A complex fraction basically is just a division problem. This is the same thing as having v minus 6 over 2 divided by v squared minus 36 over 14v. So we know that when we divide fractions, we end up inverting and multiplying. So we're going to have v minus 6 over 2 times 14v over v squared minus 36. So in this case, again, I want to solve by factoring so I can cancel out my common factors. There's not a lot of factoring I can do other than this quadratic expression, which is my difference of squares, v plus 6 and v minus 6. So when I'm canceling here, I can cancel out the v minus 6's, and I can do a little bit more canceling because I have the 2 and the 14. 2 goes into there once and into there 7 times. So what I have left on the top of that fraction is 7v, and what I have left on the bottom is 1 times v plus 6, which is this v plus 6. And so my answer, 7v over v plus 6. So again, as long as I remember this is a division problem, I'm going to invert and multiply. So I'm going to say w minus 4 over w squared minus w minus 2 times the reciprocal, so the w minus 2 over 4, and save myself a step in there. Again, I need a factor, and the only thing I can factor is this quadratic expression here. W and W, a plus and a minus. Factors of 2, I want a minus 1 in the middle, so I need a minus 2 and a plus 1. So the only thing I can cancel here is the W minus 2. I can't cancel the 4's because there's that W minus 4 goes all together. It's not just a plain number. And so in this case, my answer, I have W minus 4 on the top. And on the bottom, I'm going to have 4 times W plus 1 because it looks prettier. I'm putting the 4 in front, and that's going to be my answer. Number 15, again, we're dividing fractions here. We have a complex fraction, a fraction divided by another fraction, so we're going to have y minus 4 over 5y squared. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal, so 35y to the 4th over y squared minus 8y plus 16. Again, we can't do a whole lot of factoring, but we can factor the bottom of this one. Y and y, since the end is positive, they're both the same as the middle, a negative and a negative. Factors of 16 that add up to 8, 4, and 4. So we can cancel out one of the y minus 4's, not both of them on the bottom. And then we can do some reducing on this other one. 5 goes into here once and into here 7 times. Y squared cancels out, leaves us a y squared up there because 4 minus 2 is 2. So on the top, we have a 7y squared. On the bottom, y minus 4.